Obby, but you're a bird. A bird. A bird. Climb a mountain as a cute bird. Wow, that's cool. Climb a big mountain, quack a lot, find cool stuff. Okay, let's play it. Ha ha ha. Intro, please. Okay, I am a red bird. Good luck. I believe in you. Well, I don't believe in myself. Very, calm, I guess. Eee! Whoa! 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 Please don't make me die. Mark, 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 mark. Okay. We're still at 7 meters. Okay. I forgot I'm a bird, so I don't need to worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay. I got it. Thanks. Checkpoint. Yay. That doesn't lead to anything. How am I supposed to... Oh! Okay, thanks, man. Thanks for the helping hand! Oh my gosh! Okay. Go to another... No. How do I jump? No. Dude, why am I so bad? Okay. Finally, I can't see correctly with the FOV. Yay! Is there a checkpoint? Please let there be a checkpoint. I don't want to. Ooh, pond. Then what? Ooh, it's another one. It's a leap of faith, Miles. Miles Morales, No! At least we can climb. What is that? Is that a mushroom? Ooh, a ladder. Okay, maybe I should try steep steps. That's harder. Still. Yeah, we're 30% done. Hooray, what's this? It's just another mushroom. Great. No. Oh, if you fall, you could just go back. No! No! I hate this. At least now I'm back to my checkpoint. Wait for me, wherever you are, while the others fall. Spinning clouds. Wow! 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 Where am I supposed to go? Hello, man. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hey, man. Does the cactuses kill you too? Please make the fire, like, harm you a little bit. Like a little bit, I said. Please let me live. Clouds, you're supposed to be magical, Clouds. Go! No! How do I do? I don't know this one. No! How do you... How? I'm stuck at this part. Yes! Let's go! No! I don't ever want... pink duck shrine, please. Pink duck party located at. Okay, that's great. Now where's that lime duck? I want to see that lime duck again. It's supposed to be. Woo! Woo! That was close. Right, we got that. We got that. We got that. Mario. It's Mario Bros. It's a Mario Bros reference, right, guys? But where is the guys or the girls? Where are the hot babes? Then where am I supposed? Oh, he's way ahead of me. Where am I supposed to go after that? Oh, I'm supposed to go here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Okay. Go! No! Maybe don't go forward yet. Dude. Maybe not. Yes, we did it. I did it by myself. With none of your help, I did it by myself. And myself only! Are you kidding me? Dude, please. Please. Please, man. Let me back. 60%, guys. 60%. It's good. Oh man, did I not climb the other? Wow! This new keyboard is really making me sweat for some reason. Like actual sweaty. I am sweaty. My palms are sweaty. You know who else is sweaty? Where I fell here. This section is really long. Huh, you know what else is long? This video. Oh god, it's the others. Oh no! Oh no, it's the others. Oh no! Snoopy? No, Snoopy. Snoop Dogg? You mean Snoop Dogg? He's not dead yet. Is he? He's not dead. Race. No. No. Alright, got it. And then we go here. And then we go here and gear. Disable shift lock. It's gonna take a while to get there now. I fell! I died! Actually, no. It's gonna take a while for them to figure that one out. I just want my lime duck back with me. Woo! I hate spikes. I'm supposed to jump over it, not go to the side. It just it's a